Hi, we're a group of friends from school and we love science. Today we're going to make a lemon battery. This is actually very similar to the first battery that was ever made over 200 years ago. First we need some copper.
We're using strips, but you can use copper wire, copper nails, anything copper.
Next we need some zinc. We're using galvanized nails, which have a coating of zinc on the outside.
To connect them, we're using copper wires and crocodile clips. These will carry the electrons between the two metals.
And lastly, we need lemons. Before we start, we're going to roll them a little to release the lemon juice inside.
We push the copper and the zinc into the lemon. To show the electrons flowing from the zinc to the copper, we're using a buzzer. That isn't very loud, is it? I guess we don't have enough juice. But it isn't actually the lemon that is making the electricity.
The electrons are actually coming from the metals. Different metals want electrons more than others. That's called electronegativity.
In this case, the copper is more electronegative than the zinc, so when they are put in a circuit, the zinc becomes the anode.
At the copper cathode, the acid in the lemon juice is soaking up the electrons to make hydrogen gas. The juice completes the electric circuit.
The reaction generates about 0.8 volts of electricity. We don't have to use a lemon for this. We can use anything that conducts electricity and is acidic, like an orange, a lime, or even a potato.
For more power, we could choose other materials that have better chemical properties. That's what we do with household batteries.
Or we could connect more than one lemon battery together. If we connect 4 batteries in series, we increase the voltage to over 3 volts.
The high voltage makes the buzzer louder.
You can also see this when we use LEDs. We put them in the dark so you can see them better. The light on the left uses only one lemon battery. The light on the right has 4 connected together.
And this voltage is also enough to run a small clock, because this clock doesn't use very much power.
So remember, when life gives you lemons,
Make batteries!